How to leave a community on Reddit. It's a very simple and a quick process, so let's get started. First thing first, what you want to do is head over to your application Reddit, enter your login credentials, and make sure that you are logged into a specific account. Once you have been logged in, tap on this three horizontal line over here. You will get to see all the community that you are in. Head over to any one of it that you want to leave. Let me move into this one for now. Once you are in this page, click on this three dot over here. At the bottom, you can see the option of leave. Simply click on it. And there you go, you have left the community successfully. So that's the wrap for this video. Make sure to smash the like button and consider subscribing to our channel. We'll see you in the next one.